Okay, everybody, today we're going to talk about extended multiplication facts. So the question is, what does it mean by extended multiplication facts? So basically, you're going to be using your knowledge of multiplication facts, and you're going to use that to solve these problems, but you're also going to be applying it to larger numbers. So it's going to be multiplying by 10, 100, and 1,000. So what I mean by that is you're going to use your brain. Yes, that's a picture of an actual brain on the inside of somebody's skull. That's what it would look like. So if we look at the problem 2 times 2,000. So if we look at that, we're going to look at the number 2 and 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, right? So 2 times 2 is 4. And then you're going to look at how many zeros there are in the problem. So we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3 zeros in our answer. So if we think about it, so that's kind of the shortcut. But if we think about it, 2 times 2,000, so 2,000 plus 2,000 would be 4,000. But the shortcut is to count the zeros at the end. And I'll show you what I mean by that in more. All right. So the first step here, I always box in the facts that I'm looking at. So 7 times 3 is 21. And then I have 1, 2 zeros. So the answer to this would be 2,100. Okay. All right. So for this one, we have 6 times 4. So 6 times 4 is 24. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 240,000. All right, let's try a couple. So we've got 3 times 3 for this problem, which is 9. And we have 1 0 here. So the answer for that is 90. The next one would be 7 times 4, which is 28. And then we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3 zeros, 28,000. Next, we have 6 times 9, which would be 54, with 1, 2 zeros, 5,400. Okay, now this one is kind of interesting here. 5 times 6 is 30. And the reason I'm putting that box there is because the last 2 zeros here are the ones that we're counting, 1, 2. So it looks like we have more zeros than we need, but the first 2 here, the one in the box, is the answer to our fact. So 5 times 6 is 30, and then we add 2 more zeros. The next one, 7 times 6 would be 42, and then we add 1, 2 zeros. 8 times 6 is 48. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. All right, last couple of problems. So 8 times 9 would be 72. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 4 times 3 is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. And then the last one, 9 times 3 is 27 with 1, 2 zeros. There we go. Okay, so that is extended multiplication facts, otherwise known as multiplying by tens, 100s, and 1,000s. So that is our lesson for today. Thanks, guys. Bye.